Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can enhance your voice in Bandlab, so let's get right into it. The first tip I want to give you guys before you actually start recording is to get quality equipment for recording. If you have a good microphone, that will do the bulk of the job for you, and then you won't have to manually edit everything. And even then, if you edit manually and you have a bad microphone, there is still a sort of ceiling which you can reach where you won't be able to go above it, and that is the quality that you'll be able to reach. If you edit it way too much, it can sound artificial or of a low quality in a different aspect, so try to avoid that as much as possible. But let's say I add a voice track and record some audio, which I will then explain to you guys how you can edit. Now, as you can see, it is recording my voice, and it recorded it for 5 seconds, and I'll just stop it there. And to increase it or make it of a higher quality, you just open up the editor and select the track you want to edit. For example, I'll edit this by increasing the region gain, which will just make it louder, which might give it a higher quality. If it's too quiet, you can modify the pitch, you can modify the playback rate, but pretty much here is not where you'll be doing most of your work. If I click here, you will see not a lot of options. You can analyze the region and slice it if you want to edit different parts of it, but for example, if I click here and right click this here next to the track menu, if I right click this track in the main menu, I can then denoise it, and that will remove any background noise as much as it can to as high of a quality as it can. I can then make it further, but it will then start to sound too artificial, and it does sound bad once I did it twice. But let's see, let me just undo what I've done, and if I play back, it sounds much better. But if I go into effects, I can also add effects, and there is a lot of effects you can add, and this can pretty much enhance or well, make your audio different in ways which you might find desirable. And you can use the vocal enhancer as well and use it as much as you want. You can choose the mode which you want, and once you play it back, it sounds different. Now, if I tune it down, it might sound a bit different. If I put it too much down, it just sounds bad, but at 50% is somewhere around the right range. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.